All right, we're trying out the Milwaukee with the I'm at 12 amp hour batteries, but I'm running a 28-inch bar and chain. It's a skip tooth, but it's a full chisel, and it's 3/8. I got that rim sprocket set up, so I just want to see how it does. This is an Oregon EXJ power cut. All right, that does pretty good. Now, I want to see how it does. This is a bigger piece of wood, so I just kind of want to test the limits of it. Yeah, that is a pretty good piece of wood, and that's going to be a tough log to split if I go that way. Wow. It is really hard to get a feel for the size of this thing, but that's a pretty good sized log, and yeah, it took a minute to cut it, but it did it fine. I mean, this thing, honestly, this is the biggest small mount bar you can put on Husky small mount, but if there was a bigger bar, this would handle it, I'm sure.